Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your capital with eBay detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by researching eBay's selling platform thoroughly. Familiarize yourself with eBay's policies and guidelines for sellers. Identify items in your possession that you no longer need or use. Conduct market research to determine the potential value of these items. Take high-quality photographs of your items from multiple angles. Write clear and detailed descriptions that highlight key features and conditions. Set competitive and realistic prices based on your market research. Choose the appropriate listing format, like auctions or fixed-price sales. Ensure you select the right shipping options that suit your items. Create your eBay account if you don't already have one. Complete all necessary seller registration steps on the platform. List your items one by one, following eBay's prompts. Monitor your listings to respond promptly to any buyer inquiries. Once sold, pack your items securely to prevent damage during shipping. Ship your items promptly after receiving payment. Stay updated on eBay's fees to understand your net profit. Consider offering promotions or discounts for bulk purchases. Engage with buyers through positive and professional communication. Request feedback after successful transactions to build your seller reputation. Reinvest your profits into more inventory for further sales. Continuously analyze which items sell best to refine your selling strategy. Stay informed about market trends to enhance your inventory selection. Utilize eBay analytics tools to track your sales performance. Adjust your strategies based on the data you gather from your sales experience. Keep exploring different categories to diversify your offerings. Maintain a consistent selling approach to build a loyal customer base. Network with other sellers to learn tips and tricks from their experiences. Regularly update your listings to reflect inventory changes accurately. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.